How to make a PDF smaller in size. Now, this is very easy. You don't need to download any outsourced software. It's all done online. So let's open up this web browser here, and this is the website you want, ilovepdf.com. You want to drop down all PDF tools here, and you want to go into the optimized PDF section here, and you'll see compress PDF. Let's select that. Now we can drag our PDF onto this page, or select this big red button here, select PDF file. Now let's locate your PDF file. Mine's on the desktop. Highlight it, then press open. It should quickly upload onto the website, and then you can select extreme compression, recommended, and less. Now, I don't recommend using less quality if you have images. However, mine has images, but let's see how it turns out. So let's compress the PDF. It should do this relatively quickly, and then it should tell you here how much smaller the PDF is going to be. 85% smaller. It should auto download, as you can see here, into my downloads. If it doesn't, press the big red button and you'll download it. Let's open it up. Here it is, 162 kilobytes. Here it is on our desktop. Let's get the properties. Nearly 1 megabyte, so much smaller, or as the website tells us, 85% smaller. So that's how to make a PDF smaller in size. But let's have a look what the images look like. As you can see, the quality has gone. If we look at the original, a much better image quality. However, if you have images, don't use the extreme compression. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.